The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern George County in southeastern Mississippi, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles south of Lucedale, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Chunchula around 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Mobile, Alabama, and George, Mississippi.